Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using Butter London's Waterless Manicure system for a simple, long-lasting manicure. I just want to preface this video by saying that I'm not a nail tech, but what I've learned is that water can actually cause your nail polish to chip faster, so this waterless manicure system is meant to help you create the perfect, long-lasting manicure without the use of water. So here we've got 6 different products: the Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator, the Horsepower Nail Rescue Base Coat, the Hardware Shine UV Top Coat, a Pat and Shine 10X Nail Lacquer in the shade Tata, the PD Quick Dry Conditioning Drops, and the Quick Fix Moisturizing Cuticle Balm. In my next video, I'm going to be trying out Butter London's nail scrubbers to remove this manicure, so stay tuned for that, but let's go ahead and get on into the waterless manicure. First things first, I'm going to use the Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator and apply a little bit around my cuticles. Over the past year, especially with so much hand washing and sanitizer, I've noticed that my cuticles can get pretty gnarly pretty quickly, and having well-kept cuticles can help your manicure look so much better and can help your polish last longer. So I applied that around my cuticles and let that sit and soften them for about a minute, and then I used an orange wood stick to gently push back my cuticles. I also really like using a gentle metal cuticle pusher for this step, but just be careful because sometimes the metal ones can be pretty sharp. And at this step, it was really tempting to go wash my hands with soap and water, but because this is a waterless manicure, I just soaked a cotton round with some acetone and wiped away any debris on and around my nail. Then I'm going to apply 1 coat of the Horsepower Nail Rescue Base Coat, which is meant to help promote healthy nails and prevent staining. Once my base coat was fully dried, I applied 2 coats of the Pat and Shine 10X Nail Lacquer in the shade Tata, which is a gray taupe cream polish. And I love that this polish had a wide round brush because that made application super smooth. Another tip to achieving a long-lasting mani is to cap your free edge with the polish, and especially with the top coat. I waited a couple minutes for the polish to dry, and then I applied one of my favorite top coats, the Hardware Shine UV Top Coat. I think I'm currently on bottle number 5 or 6 of this top coat, and I just love the shine that it adds to my manicure. Just remember to cap that free edge with the top coat. Moving on to the quick dry drops, they are supposed to help speed up the dry time and prevent those pesky little nicks that you sometimes get right after finishing your manicure. It comes in 2 pieces. One is the bottle with the drops, and the other piece is the dropper that you can screw onto the bottle. And if you're traveling with this, I'd probably keep the cap on the bottle and only switch it to the dropper when I'm using it to prevent any possible leaks. So I use the dropper to apply a drop to the middle of my nail, and then it spread out on its own and I let that evaporate. And then I went in with the Quick Fix Moisturizing Cuticle Balm, which comes in a tube that's perfect for on-the-go hydration. There's a silicone scrubber head applicator, and I just squeezed a little out and applied it by my cuticle. You could use the silicone applicator to rub it in, but I thought it was easier to just use my fingers. And there you have it, I'm all done with my waterless manicure. I did all of those same steps on my other hand as well, and as I mentioned, I'm going to be using Butter London's nail scrubbers to see how well it removes this manicure in my next video. But that's all for today. I will leave a link down below to where you can shop these nail treatments from Butter London, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!